Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. I still remain treadmill spiking, but today guys I'm gonna do something different, at least something for the beginners and someone who has been trying to use MetaTrader, especially 5, because that's what we are going to work on today. Okay, first of all, before you start using MetaTrader, you have to have the app on your phone. And if you're using an Android phone, you go to your Play Store and you type MetaTrader 5 and you download it. If you're using an Apple phone, you go to your Apple Store and you download MetaTrader. So, and when that is being done, you click on your MetaTrader and it's open. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you add your broker. So you click on the plus sign here and you type your broker and you add, and when that is done, you know you're ready for trading. This is a demo account that has already been set up already. So we download a new account. That's what you just have to do. You click on the plus sign here and you find your broker and you add it, and when that is done, you're ready to go. So the next thing we're gonna do is you add your pays. As you can see, I already have some pays added here already. So all you just have to do is you click on the plus sign here, you find your pay you want to add. If you want breaker 100, you click on it and you click on it and it's done. And if you want to delete any pay, you just click on the pencil side sign here on the top right button. After the plus sign, you click on the pencil side, you click on the bin sign, like the last symbol on top right hand on your screen. After the plus sign, you click on it and you tick any pay you want to delete. Just tick on any pay you wish to delete with the range break, and when you click delete and it's done. Okay, so the next thing after the quote page is your charts. Okay, this is where you read and analyze your charts, and we are on step index right now, and you want to change from the step index page to maybe another page you want to trade on and you want to analyze. You just tap on your screen and this will come out. Oh sorry, you tap on the dollar sign like this one that shows like a dollar sign. That I think that's the third symbol after the plus, the F, the third symbol that shows ace. Now I'm not using a mouse, so sorry about the message. I'm not using a mouse, so I can't really like drag and tick like and show you guys what I'm talking. So I have to use the word sign. So you click on the dollar sign, the S, and your page will come up, and you just choose a particular page you want to trade on. You click on it, anyone you want to use, you keep on clicking on it and it's done. So the next thing is, how do you like the tools you use in analyzing these charts? How to get the tools? What you just need to do is you tap on your screen and you tap on the symbol after the setting sign. You know, you have the F sign, you have the plus sign, you have the setting sign. The next one that has the zero, the triangle, and the square before M1, the symbol before M1, you tap on it and you have all the objects and the indicators you need to use. So if you want to draw maybe your trend line on maybe support and resistance. You click on it, then you now paste it on your chart, and you just drag it to wherever you want to drop it, and you leave it there, and you still tap on your screen, still click. If you want to draw a train line, you click on it and you draw your train line. And if you want to delete these lines from your chart, you just click and hold, just click on a particular line and hold, then you delete. You click and hold, then you delete. Okay, it's very simple as that. So the next thing you want to do is you want to enter a trade. If you want to enter the trade, you click on the symbol at the top right hand of your screen that has the plus sign. You click on it, and this is, you reduce your loss size from, you increase your loss size from the plus side, and you decrease your loss side from the minus side. And after when that is done, if you want to buy, you want to sell, you click on it. If you sell, you want to sell, you click on sell. You buy, you want to buy, you click on buy, and it's done. And when that is done, you want to see how your trade is doing. What you just have to do, you click on trade. This is the trade I'm running already. Okay, I was buying the step index, so this is the trade that is running already on the app. So when you click on trade, you see all the trades you are at the moment, and you want to see your trade history. You click on, sorry, but your trade history, you click on history, and all your trade history will show here. This is your position. You check your orders and check the deals. It's as simple as that. And the next thing here is the messages. You click on the messages, you log in and register. You can chat with other brokers, other forex traders, share ideas together, and do whatever. Okay, this is simple. It's just very simple to use the app. All you just have to do is just watch this video over and over again, so you get a proper understanding. Like I said before, the first thing, when you download the app, you tick on, you see the three lines here, the three lines on the left top screen. You click on it, and you click on manage accounts, and click on the plus sign to add your broker. After adding your broker, it's done. The next thing you want to do is add pays to the chart, pays that you want to trade on. And how do you add pays? You click on the plus sign here, you type and the page you want to add, and when it comes on, you just click on it and it's added. You go back, and if you want to delete any pay, you just click on the pencil side at the top right corner, click on it, and you just click on the delete button. That's the last symbol, the right top corner. After the plus sign, you click on it, then you mark the pay you want to delete. Just mark on it, then you click delete. It's done. Okay, and you can actually move this page to arrange them accordingly how you want them to be. Just click and hold on it, and you just drag it down to wherever you want to take it to. You can see what I'm doing right now. Just drag it down to wherever you want to take it to, and you drop it, and it's done. Then you go back. Next thing is your charts. You click on the next thing after quote is charts. You click on charts. Okay, this is the chart, and you want to change from, we are on jump 100 index right now, and we are on a 1 hour time frame. So if you want to change it from a 1 hour time frame, you just click your screen like this, and it will pop up this icon. If you want to go to 1 week, you click on 1 week. You want to move from 1 week, you still tap on your screen, you go to D1 is day 1, and it will bring out the day 1 chart. If you still want to change it from the 1, you still click on your screen. Okay, H4 is 4 hours, Okay, this is 4 hours. Okay, and you need indicators on your chart. Maybe you want to run some analysis. Okay, you click on the F sign. This is the F sign. You click on the F sign, you click on main chart. You can see all the indicators line up for you here to add the trend. See the Bollinger Bands, you can add it, set it to your period deviation sheet and how you want to arrange it. So after that it's been done, you click done and this will pop up on your chart. And you want to delete it, you still click on the F symbol and you click on the Bollinger Bands and you click on the delete button, you click on the Bollinger Bands and you click on the delete button again and it's deleted. So you do the same thing. If you want to add any other charts, you just click on the indicators that you want to and it's being done. Okay, and you want to set your stop loss and your take profits, your pips and all that. All you have to do is click on the plus sign, the first after the three lines on the top left screen, the plus sign, you click on it and you will bring out this and you just move it up to wherever you want to draw you put your stop loss and your take profits. See how it is being done. Just take it wherever you can see the pips are showing. So it's very simple. And you want to delete this indicator, you just click on it again and it's off. So guys, this is how you can use your MetaTrader 5. It's very simple and easy. So if you have any question and anything you want to talk to me about forex, okay, you can check the description page on this post. You'll see my Telegram link. You can join, and I drop free signals for daily trading. I also mentor and show you the strategies and how to become a better trader. And you can also chat to me on WhatsApp. Check the description page, you see my WhatsApp link. You can also talk to me directly on WhatsApp and we can work together. Okay guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, comment, so you can get more videos from us wherever we drop it. Okay, thanks guys for watching. I hope you understand the things I show you, and if you don't understand it clearly, you can talk to me directly. Like I said, check the description page. You'll see my link to my Telegram group or my WhatsApp group, and we can work together guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Bye.